Hi guys, I'm Sundaresh. I'm a recent graduate in BTech Areas 2025 pass out. I'm from Second College of Engineering, Namakkal, Tamil Nadu. I have joined in January 22 at Pyspiders. I've taken a Python full stack course. I have no idea about how the course will be going on. I'm coming here with a blank mind only. First class was SQL and then Python started. While classes were going, I could get more number of informations and how to build the logics and syntax. The classes were very awesome. Trust me, guys. Really awesome. I could know really what is Python and how can we use it because I'm learning from online only. I have no idea how to build the logics, but I could understand what programming is. But after coming here, I could entirely know about fully about Pythons. I'm a Python full stack developer. I have placed with 8.3 LPA, and that's all, guys. I'm very much gratitude to Pine Spiders and every stops. Not the exact trainers who have teach me, to the every persons in Pine Spiders. Thank you.